Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the triangle block. So let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, all you're going to need to know how to do is a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a double crochet. So to start off, you are going to chain 4. And in the last chain, you are going to work 3 double crochets, followed by working a chain 2. Then you'll work 4 double crochets, then chain 2, and again 4 double crochets and chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. Again, this is all worked within the same stitch. So here we are at the end of round 1 and we're joining with a slip stitch. So for round 2, you're going to start off by chaining 3. That's going to count as a double crochet later on in the pattern, and then chaining 2. So go ahead and chain 5. That's the 3 plus 2 is the chain 5. So after you've chained 5, in the chain 2 space from the row below, you are going to work a repeat of a 4 double crochet, then chaining 2, and 4 double crochet all within the same space. You always want to make sure that after you finish working your 4 double crochet groups that you always chain 2. Now when you get to the end of this, in the last chain 2 space, you'll work a 4 double crochet, chain 2, and then a 3 double crochet, because that chain 3 from the previous beginning counted as a stitch and you join with a slip stitch. So now you can see where it's really starting to form that triangle pattern. So for round 3, you are going to chain 3 and work 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space, followed by chaining 2, and then you will work 4 double crochets, then chaining 2, and then 4 more double crochets, all within the same chain 2 space from the previous row. Now, keeping in mind for the style of this pattern is when you come to the chain 2 space on the side, you're only working 1 set of the chain 4. And when you're on the corner sides, or the corner that we're working on right now, you'll work 2 of the 4 double crochet sets. And that's just to make sure that you end up forming that beautiful triangle shape. Now always make sure that you chain 2 after working your 4 double crochets. So here we are at the end of everything. We're chaining 2 and we are joining with a slip stitch, and that will finish off our triangle block. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crocheted day.